Hey, it's Ashleigh here, and welcome to another episode in my home reno series. So in today's episode, it is all about prepping more walls. So I will be focusing on the kitchen and going back into the hashtag dining room area, which I'm not sure if that's what that is actually going to be. But that is all that I'm going to be doing today, and then actually putting down the paper to protect my flooring. So let's go ahead and start this episode.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do. Don't let it go. Chasing a dream.
Okay, so we are back again at the house. Is this like an angle? Hold on. There we go. Let's kind of do this. Okay, back again at the house. So today is Sunday, and I do not plan on being here for a very long time. Okay, I don't plan on being here. Yesterday, I was literally here all day long. I really don't plan on being here that long today. So let's talk about what I'm gonna do today. So basically, I'm gonna finish this room. So yesterday, I puttied up the different areas in here, and now I'm just gonna sand them down, and I'm gonna putty over them again. And then we're gonna start in the kitchen, puttying up any of the holes that's in there to get that prepped. If I get to it, I will then start to remove that thin piece of paper that is from the wallpaper that's in the laundry room that's still there, because that needs to go away. And then, I'm trying to think about what else I said I was gonna do today. Oh yeah, and then start to try to take the paper off of the left side of the living room, because that paper is still up. And then put some more paper down on the floors in the living room, because we'll be taking those popcorn ceilings down. So that's what I plan on doing today. I hope I get most of it done. I also might try to take the mirrors off myself, but I might just wait till like tomorrow or something to do that. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get started, because like I said, I don't want to be here all day. So let me go. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, wait, I have to tell y'all something so funny before I start. So I was in here like just a few minutes ago just filming that little part, and you guys know we have these picture windows right here, so you can like see in the house. So one of our neighbors was walking by, and I was done, and then I'm just sitting here and I was just like looking, and then I saw her walking, and she was like walking her dog, and like, I don't know, the dog was doing some weird stuff going in circles. So mind you, I'm just still sitting there like, what is going on? And then I'm thinking, I forgot, like, I mean, it's a window, so she can see in here. So then she was like, then she looked up, and then she was like looking, and then she like started waving at me, and I'm like, oh my gosh, she waving at me? And then like I started waving, and then I'm like, she saw me and I saw her, but it was weird because I was just like looking like, what is going on? And then like, I'm thinking, I'm forgetting that you can see through these windows. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. It's probably not that funny, but it is very funny, because I was like, it was just like this awkward moment, and I'm like, she's waving at me, and then I'm like, it was so weird. It was very weird. All right, so I'm leaving for today, and I did not get to putty over the areas that I sanded, but I did sand the walls. So I'm glad I got that done. And then the laundry room. So I was like, oh my God, I have to finish this. So I took all of the wallpaper off of the walls. So there's no more wallpaper, and now I can start to prep the walls in here. I did put some more paper down. Oh yes, and I puttied up the areas in the kitchen that needed to be puttied. I ran out of putty too, so I have to get some more. I did not get to do the paper on these floors, but honestly that's not gonna take that long. And I didn't get to that wall over there. So that will be on my agenda tomorrow. But I feel like I got a lot accomplished today. So that is it. All right, it's a new day. Back again, back at it. So I just finished doing a second coat of some of the spackling, and I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna sand it the next day, whatever. I'm going to sand the whole wall. So all of the walls in here, I'm gonna sand those. And then this room should be ready for us to prime it. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go finish the wallpaper that's in the laundry room. I only have like one more side to do, so I'm gonna finish that. And then I am going to put the paper down in the living room and try to start on this wall over here, taking down that wallpaper. So, let me go.
Like I said, I literally did everything in my plan. So I started with finishing up the wallpaper, and actually this is just the back of the wallpaper, so it was really easy to just take this off. Oh my gosh, thanks. So this is the last thing. So I finished the laundry room. After I finished doing the laundry room, I went and I started to put the paper down in the living room. I actually had to switch over to my phone camera because my camera, the memory card was full, so I had to switch over. So I switched over and I started to put down the paper. After I put down all the paper, the next thing I did, like I said, was start to take down the wallpaper on this back wall. Literally, this is the last thing that I did this day. Super tired over all of this. Oh my gosh, I was just literally over all of it, but I knew I had to keep on pushing because I was looking at the end of the tunnel, y'all. The end of the tunnel. So the next videos you guys see will be like the painting parts and taking down popcorn ceilings in the living room and all that stuff, putting down the flooring. So we'll be moving. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't checked out the full playlist, I will have that for you to check out at the end of the video. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.